A security guard who allegedly physically assaulted a female vendor at the Charles Gordon Market in St. James has been fired. It's the latest in the saga, which is now the subject of a police investigation. Anthony Lugg has this primetime news follow-up.
Did he or did he not beat the vendor? A question Jamaicans have been asking since news emerged about the alleged beating of a female vendor by a security guard at the Charles Gordon Market last Friday. The St. James Municipal Corporation ordered an investigation into the matter and had been awaiting the report. In an interview with our news team on Wednesday, this revelation from Montego Bay Mayor Leroy Williams.
The investigation revealed that the security guard, in fact, hit the vendor with a piece of board, causing bodily harm.
The mayor again condemned the actions of the guard, noting there's no place for violence, especially against women. The victim has since made a report to the police, and the guard was charged with assault occasioning bodily harm. The matter will be heard in court on June 9. But what action has been taken so far?
The security guard has been relieved of his duties as far as the municipal corporation is concerned.
As requested, a report on the matter has been submitted to the local government ministry. TVJ News has also learned that the vendors and the guards have clashed for months because some vendors failed to leave after closing hours. Mr. Williams issued this warning.
The market closes at 7 o'clock. And so I just want to say to all those persons who are vending in the market that they need to obey the rules and regulation of the market.
As they await the outcome of the court proceedings between the vendor and the security guard, tighter enforcement is expected in the days ahead, all in a bid to prevent a recurrence of last Friday's incident.
We are in collaboration with the police, and the decision is to place a police post at the market wherein they would be able to look at the various infractions that are taking place in the market.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.